What types of things should kids be getting more of at a young level? Playing with each other. Executive function skills are formed through play. And that's why we have kids who have poor executive functioning skills, which is problem solving, organization, planning, coping, all that kind of stuff, because they don't play enough. I watched a whole 6th grade about a month ago, went into their library class, which is also what they call their STEM class, and all they did for 40 minutes was play. They had blocks, they had marble works, they were making tornado bottles, they had all these toys out. And someone said, they play too much in there. So I went on a limb and I wrote down a half a page of skills that were all prerequisites to academic and social emotional learning of what was being taught during that 45 minutes. And I gave it to them, I said, this is what's being taught there. And people were like, I never thought of it that way. Really be thinking about what's being taught when kids are playing and interacting and talking to one another and having to read the room. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.